Well, alright guys, you're not going to want to hear this, but the skin. The skin is the maximum gaslighting system in our human body. It's also, according to some, the largest organ in our body. But, yeah, as I try to record with my Ricoh theta, I'm going to try my best to talk about why the skin is the ultimate gaslighting system there is. Well, it's because even as you age and you look at your skin, generally speaking, unless it's your facial skin, the rest of the body looks quite young. And most of the time you'd think, you go to your doctor to do your health check. Do they ever check your intestine? No. Do you get the correct blood work to find out what is truly going on in your body? Most likely not. But they'll take a stethoscope? Anyway, they'll check if you've got some weird things going on, if you've got a heart murmur, if your lungs are responding correctly, which if you live in California, probably not, because you're spitting in 3 colors, just like Gaston Newsom wants you to. But the issue is, as I said before, that below, even if you look pretty awesome, even if you look as awesome as Patrick Swayze, you may have cancers inside your body. You may have worms, parasites, bacteria, all kinds of other things in there that are making your life absolutely horrible. And that's also why a lot of us lose our teeth. The lack of vibration. When you run, when you walk, there's a certain amount of vibration that goes from the floor up through our entire body and vibrates our gums and stuff like that. And it gets rid of the impurities and things, and also shakes a lot of the cooties, the bugs and all those things, right? The sugar bugs off our teeth. That's the truth. That's the truth. And the reason why most of us get really sick, and it's beautiful today. Today there's a moon that you can see right up there. Hopefully you guys can see it. I parked in a fun spot so you can have a direct view on the moon. Well, if that's the case for you, then enjoy that moon. If it's not visible on the screen, I don't know if the Ricoh does a good job. But it's beautiful to me. So anyway, that's why I'm here. Anyway, going back to our bodies and the gaslighting that your skin does is, you might have all kinds of stuff going on below. And so just to do a quick health check to let you guys know how I'm doing. I'm 40 years old. I do have these horrible wrinkles on my face because unlike Peter Diamandis and Brian Johnson, which I'm a huge fan of, I'm not using any medical devices or creams on my skin. So it's all natural. A 40-year-old all natural. Natty, I think that's how the kids say it. There's no testosterone boosts. It's just a regular diet. Although most of the food that I take in is roughly the same quantity every day. Most of the food is ground up. So I'm more like a baby eating food rather than chewing a lot of stuff, which also helps with reducing the amount of stuff that goes and gets stuck to your teeth and rots your teeth. So yeah, I'm mostly vegan. From time to time I'll have cheat day, but I'll only have cheat day if I can see my abs. That's what I put down in writing for myself. I can have cheat day if I can see my abs. If I don't see my abs, then I keep just trucking along and exercising and doing all the stuff that I mentioned in the previous videos. But anyway, yeah, the pain in my side that I thought could be kidney was not a kidney thing. It probably could be a pancreas thing. Because I probably ate too much meat and it's hard to digest. So we'll see how it goes. So this was the episode today. Have a great weekend.